Hello, welcome everyone to Analog Electronics Lab. Today we will study experiment number 4, that is study the working of complementary symmetry class B push-pull amplifier and calculate the efficiency. Objective of this experiment to study working of class B push-pull power amplifier and calculate its efficiency. Class B, this is the circuit diagram of class B amplifier. Class B amplifier is one of the power amplifier used for better amplification of the input wave. It gives a larger efficiency as compared to class A power amplifier. Class B amplifier with a single transistor can conduct only in 1/2 cycle or 180 degree of the input waveform cycle. Two transistors of similar or complementary type can be used such that one of the transistor conducts in the positive half cycle and the other transistor conducts negative half cycle. So the output produced is traced in both cycles. Such a circuit is known as class B push-pull amplifier. Hence output with low distortion is produced, which can be witnessed in the output waveforms. This is the circuit diagram. Here TR1 and TR2, TR1 transistor NPN type and TR2 is PNP type transistor. Input signal applied through C1 and C2 to the base, and R1 connected to base of TR1, one end of R1 connected to base of TR1 and another end connected to VCC. In the same way, RB2 connected to base of TR2 and RB1. In the same way, one end of RB1 connected to base of TR1 and another end connected to RB2. R2 is connected to base of TR2 and other end is grounded. We will get output from TR1 and TR2 VCC collector and TR2 collector negative half cycle, and positive half cycle we will get from collector of NPN type transistor TR1. This is the circuit connection. Power efficiency of class B push-pull amplifier is 78.5%. Percentage efficiency will be denoted as eta. Percentage of eta equals to P of 0 AC divided by Pi into 100. For maximum power, VL equals to VCC. Maximum hence the class B push-pull amplifier improved the efficiency than class A push-pull amplifier. Thank you.